A trademark registration in the Benelux ensures that you know for sure whether you are allowed to use your brand name or logo and that you cannot be sued for trademark infringement. That makes trademark registration in the Benelux essential. Registering a trademark in the Benelux, Belgium, Netherlands and Luxembourg can be done through the Benelux Office for Intellectual Property or BOIP. Here are the steps to register a trademark in the Benelux. 1. Conduct a trademark search. Before you apply for a trademark, it is important to conduct a trademark search to make sure that your trademark is not already registered or being used by someone else. 2. Optimization scope of protection. The scope of protection is the most important thing about your brand. Otherwise, you will not be able to act against trademark infringement or defend yourself properly in the future. It is therefore important that you have the scope of protection of your trademark optimized by a trademark attorney. 3. Submit your application. You can submit your trademark application online. The application should include your personal details, a description of your trademark, and the goods or services that your trademark will be used for. 4. Examination. Your application will be examined by the BOIP to make sure that it meets the requirements for registration. This includes checking that your trademark is distinctive enough. BOIP will not check if your trademark is similar to any existing trademarks. 5. Publication. If your trademark application is accepted, it will be published in the Benelux Trademarks Register. This allows other parties to object to your registration if they believe that your trademark conflicts with their existing rights. 6. Registration. If there are no objections to your registration, your trademark will be registered in the Benelux and you will receive a certificate of registration. The entire process usually takes around 3 months, and the registration is valid for 10 years from the date of filing. Most organisations choose to have the scope of protection optimised by a trademark attorney to avoid extra costs during the procedure and to make sure that the trademark is properly protected. The scope of protection that a trademark needs must be optimised. It is not enough to only choose search terms such as clothing, software, textiles or home accessories. Home accessories do not exist as a class within trademark law, and software can be seen as a class heading and therefore be too broad. When registering a trademark, it's important to select the appropriate trademark classes that cover the goods or services that your brand offers. To determine the trademark classes you need for your brand, start by identifying all the goods or services that your brand offers. Next, consult the list of 45 trademark classes maintained by the World Intellectual Property Organization to determine which classes are relevant to your goods or services. Additionally, if you plan to expand your brand internationally, it's important to research the relevant trademark classes used in other countries. Selecting the appropriate trademark classes is important for ensuring that your brand has the proper legal protection and preventing potential legal issues. In the Benelux, you can renew your trademark registration starting 6 months before the expiration date of your current registration. The renewal can be filed up to 6 months after the expiration date of your current registration without any additional fees. If you do not renew your trademark registration within this grace period, your trademark will be cancelled, and you will need to go through the entire registration process again if you wish to obtain trademark protection. It's important to keep track of your trademark registration expiration date and renew your registration in a timely manner to avoid losing the protection for your trademark.